Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening Clash of Clans on any device where you lost access. Tap Settings and select Help and Support to see account options. Look for the recovery code entry you saved when linking Supercell ID. The code is one unique string you must have recorded. If you cannot find it, check your email, password manager, or a printed note. Keep the code private to prevent account theft and make sure you keep it safe for future logins. Go to the Supercell ID sign-in screen on a device and choose Use Recovery Code. Carefully type your 12-character recovery code exactly, matching letters and digits. Double-check for common mistakes like swapping O for 0 or I for 1. After entering the code, tap Confirm and allow the game to verify the information. Wait for the restoration process to complete and for your village to load. If verification fails, try again with the exact code or contact support with proof of ownership. If the recovery code fails, gather proof of account ownership before contacting support. Prepare details such as player tag, clan name, town hall level, builder base level, and last in-game purchase receipts. Open Help and Support in-game and submit a message explaining the lost recovery code. Attach screenshots and purchase transaction ID if possible to speed verification. Expect a verification process that may
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.